Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, remote trunk release, tires, front performance, fog lamps, tires, rear performance, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.